this product versus this product, which one worked for my toddler and which one worked for me. I would like to say, we're using this a lot, but I was using this first for my toddler because I saw the reviews and we were just like, okay, he has such dry skin and we live in a dry desert climate. It's super hot out here. And I would have, this one would be dry. My lower legs, I will insert like pictures here, how it was before. And then I'm gonna put a video of what it looks like now. But hold on. Toddler mom life. Anyways, he's running away from me because he never likes to put some lotion, but I'm gonna put some lotion on him soon because he just took a bath. So this one we used on my toddler's skin first. It was super dry. And you know, it's such a big bottle, we didn't want it to waste because we bought the other one, but this one works well with my lower legs. His was really dry. He is like raised, scaly type thing. We even went to the doctor, prescribed him some medication. Again, it worked for a little bit, but I feel like you have to keep using it, and then once you stop, it just comes back with like a revenge. And so we're like, okay, let's go ahead and ChatGPT, use Google, reviews, give me something that will help my toddler's skin. This, oh my God, it's way thicker than the Roche-Posay, am I saying it wrong? Saying it right? The Roche-Posay Lipicar AP Plus M, the Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. We've had this for a while. It's gonna expire next year, so I'm using it instead. And here, let me show you the consistency of it. So this, you see, looks like that. I'm trying to see if it focuses. Yeah, focuses really good. And then right here, see if I'll focus more. That's the consistency of it. Very moisturizing. Again, it did help for my toddler's skin, but for some reason his like a little bit more worse than mine. It's like raised, like almost like eczema, but really dry skin. This one, saved my toddler's skin. The Aveeno Baby Eczema Therapy Nighttime Balm. I'm saying, hopefully I say it right, Colloidal Oatmeal Skin Protectant and Ceramide. This one, it's helps with itchy, dry, irritated skin. This is super thick. Here, I'll show you. So we've been using a lot of it. I just grab, boom, put it on. And here, I'll show you the consistency as well. So here, it's super thick. And you gotta really rub it in. And you could feel it even more. It's like super hydrated and oh my gosh, my sorry, but it's super hydrated. You know how you feel like there's humidity in the air? This is what it feels like. It's just stuck there and it doesn't feel sticky at all, not like Vaseline and everything. And yeah, ignore all the moving because my son is just distracted with this tripod. But yeah, we're gonna finish off out versus, oh my gosh, baby, hold on. Sorry about that. So to wrap it up, Aveeno Baby for the toddler when it's really, really dry, scaly skin like. It has improved so much, like right after bath time too. And this one for me, and it's not as bad. So very good products for different skin types.